Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to simplify this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one we can apply the formula in here. Next, we simplify s plus y on numerator and denominator. So we just have s minus y over s. Next, s divided by s, we have number 1. Y divided by s, we keep the same. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.